Hello everyone. First of all, this time I will show you the option live measurement. The Narda TSX can do much more, but we don't have the time to explain here everything right now. So let's just jump into the Narda TSX. Here we are. This screen looks like if you have the Narda TSX live measurement. If not, it's not a problem. Just go to the settings and go to product activation. This looks like if you have the option. If not, you get this screen. Here you can find the part number right here. With this part number, you can just contact our sales partner and here contact us to order the option live measurement. And then you get an activation key. This puts you just inside right here. Press the button activate and your license paired to your PC, notebook or what else. Now I will show you the different ways to connect the probe to the live measurement. For this we need to go out of the screen into the real world for a second. One way is to put the USB cable and your digital probe. Just put it inside the mount right here. And the other USB just put inside your PC. Or you can just use a repeater, digital probe and probe repeater. Just put the probe on it and took the optical cable with the optical converter. Put one side of the optical cable inside the repeater and the other side with the converter just into your PC. Or we can take off the probe and combine the analog digital probe converter with the repeater and also an analog probe like this. Put it inside, and now you can do a measurement with the old probes. Or put the probe off with included the analog digital probe converter and put it directly into the USB cable. So you can also connect it right this. But in our case, we just do it with the USB cable and a digital probe. So we just connect it right here. Now I will connect the USB cable to the PC and we see us in the live measurement again. And here we are on the live measurement again. So I will connect the probe. You see here, the probe is detected. And if I choose the probe, you will see the probe self-test also. And the rest is the overlay of the live measurement with the probe. So now I will you explain everything step by step from the top to the bottom. And we will start at the probe informations. Beginning from the left, product name, part number, and the serial number. Here are the frequency informations, like the field type of the probe, the frequency range, and last but not least, the calibration informations about the probe. Here we have the save measurement button and the pause and reset, but we'll come later to this. First we go to the save location. Here you can find your project folder. For this one, we will create a new one. Type right here. We will name it live test create. And we created a new project folder right here. And now we don't need the save location anymore. So close the tab and go into the measurement settings. Here we have the same settings like the Fieldman, for example. And here we go to the mode selection. Choose a different mode like timer login, spatial average, or field strength. Switch the result type, actual, maximum, average, minimum. Anyway, what do you choose? You saw them always there live at your measurement. We go quickly through the settings, the alarm function with the E-field limit. You can switch on, off, and the measurement settings. If you know the Fieldman, you know the measurement settings, but here you can change your units, for example, or choose the averaging time, choose a standard, switching the time curve on, off, choosing another time span, or do a single run, post-processing for percent of standards. We will go for this demonstration right here with the actual and field strength. For a better view, we close the tab. So here we have all the numbers of the live measurement. And here we see only the max field right now. So we're gonna pull up this line to see maximum, average, and minimum. And here we have a cursor. We can pull this cursor to move. But for a better demonstration, I will give a signal on the probe right now. There's 1 and there's 2. So I can show you the cursor right now. I think it's better to pause this measurement for a second. And now I can move the cursor to the signals, and you see right here the exact measured values. So let's go to the filter and play a little bit with the view of the diagram. And we go down to the bottom to the styles and switch the diagram to dark mode for a second. And also you can switch the colors of maximum, average, and minimum field right here. But we will leave it by the standard settings. Let's close the filter and I'm gonna to show you the Y marker line. And you find it right there. It's a better overview of the Y marker line. But do you have anyway there your values? And they're moving with your cursor. To pin our cursor or remove it to the right again, I'm gonna to start the measurement again and click right here. And the cursor jump immediately into the right corner. To show you the next feature, I need to give a signal again on the probe. 1, 2, and 3. We need to pause this measurement and we will move our cursor into the signal. If you don't like this view, you have here some buttons. With a click, you can swap this views and swap them back. Close one with close the top, or switch the orientation from top to bottom to side by side with also the possibility to swap. To see the diagram in a better view, we close this tab right here. So now I can show you the feature right here. Click your mouse and pull it above your signals to zoom in. But that's not the limit. You can zoom right into your signal more and more to find your highest peak. You see, there is nearly no limit to zoom in to analyze your measurements right here. To zoom out of your measurement, you have here a button, just click, and you are back. If you want this diagram into a report or a documentation, you can use this button. You can choose between save the diagram as a file, as a picture, or copy as a dashboard. We take here the dashboard. Let me quickly open a simple Word file and just press Ctrl V to paste the diagram. Okay, let's jump back into the Narda TSX. I have to show you one more feature, the save button. You can click on it and the actual measurement will be saved in your project folder. or activate the text comment function to save your measurement within commentary. Here we just named it live test measurement. And that's it. That's all functions of the live measurement so far. If you have any question, please feel free to ask right now. Thank you very much.